Today I'm going to share with you guys a very easy and super delicious recipe for orange curd. Hi, welcome to Cake Mom. I'm Abby, and on this channel I share with you guys some of my favorite tips and techniques as well as recipes to help you with your home baking projects. If you're new or haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notifications bell so that you can see when I post my next video. So you will need some oranges, some lemons, a little bit of orange juice, some cold diced butter, the zest of some oranges and some lemons, egg yolks, 1 whole egg, granulated sugar, cornstarch, and a little bit of salt. The equipment you will need is a whisk, a spatula, a strainer, a juicer of some kind, and a double boiler. What I'm using for my double boiler is a pot with a little bit of water and a glass bowl that fits in the top. So let's get started. You'll want to use your bowl from your double boiler before it is hot. Make sure this is still room temperature before you start this part. You will want to add your egg yolks, your whole egg, your sugar and cornstarch, your salt, and your zests. Then go ahead and whisk this mixture until it is starting to turn pale yellow and has lightened a little bit, just to get it a little bit aerated. So I've already zested all of my citrus, and now I'm going to juice it into a measuring cup. Now you want to go ahead and add your juice into your egg mixture, but you're going to want to add it slowly and whisk it while you're pouring it in because you want it to all combine very evenly.
Don't open. Mom.
Now that you've whisked this all together, go ahead and put it on your double boiler. You want enough water in the bottom to create steam, but you don't want it to reach the bottom of your bowl because it will get too hot and it will curdle your eggs. Go ahead and cook this on medium or medium-low until your curd starts to thicken and coats your spatula completely so that if you draw a line through it, it will kind of separate. It's not just all pooling back together. That's how you know it is thick enough. Then go ahead and remove it from the heat. Now that your curd is thick enough to coat the back of your spatula, and when you draw a line through the middle, it holds its shape, you will want to add your cold butter 1 cube at a time and stir it until each one completely melts before you add the next one. So now you want to strain your curd after it is completely mixed together while it's still hot because you want to get all the zest and any kind of curdled egg out of it. Let's just pour it through a strainer. So now this is done. Once it is cooled, it will thicken, and you can use it on any of your favorite treats you would like to. Like maybe some cupcakes, or you could spread it on your toast, or you can fill a cake with it, like I did right here in this video. I hope you have enjoyed this. If you did, please leave a like, please leave a comment, let us know what you thought, and share it with all of your friends. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notifications bell so that you can see when I post my next video. Have a great day!